I think it's good for right now. Yeah. So where should we go? Should we go for the bomb?
To the bomb.
The bomb?
First bomb.
The first bomb. Okay. 3 minutes, 3 strike. Okay. Start. So I need to explain to you what. Okay.
I'm not allowed to look at
Okay.
the game.
Okay. It's dark. There is 5 minutes. Okay. There is like. Okay. There is like 3 battery.
3 battery. Okay, what else?
And there's like MSA at battery.
MSA.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And then there's serial number.
Serial number.
ZT6X E0. My god, my god. Oh my god. Okay.
So let's get like the okay, let's choose one. Which one do you want to do first?
Okay, there's like a wire.
Okay, let's do the wires.
Okay. The wire, there's like 4 wire. The first one is white. The second wire is black. The third one is blue, and the last one is yellow.
Okay. Is there red wire? No, right?
No red wire.
The last wire yellow.
Yes.
Okay, cut the first wire.
First wire. Oh, done. Okay, nice. Okay. Then there's a button, a board. A board button.
Button.
White button, a board.
A white button that is a board.
Yeah. Okay.
Hang on, yeah. Let's
Okay.
see. Button is white. If there one battery on the bomb.
Huh? What?
Oh, okay. Say no. I'm reading the. Oh no. I'm panicking.
Okay. 3 minutes. Okay. Cool down. Calm down. Okay. There's like sequence button. There's like at the right side, the top right is like question mark with inverted.
Okay, got it.
And then there's like number 6
Number 6
below the question mark, inverted question mark, and then the bottom left, there's like B letter with a T. B letter like T something T, but have a B. And then the last one is like the top one is like what else, like triangle, and then like three.
Okay.
First
press the number 6.
Okay, number 6.
And then press the B with the T inside.
Okay. And then
press the triangle with the 3.
Okay.
Lastly, the inverted question mark.
Okay, nice. Last abort button.
Okay, the board. Okay. Okay, you have to hold the button down, and then the strip will light to the right side.
What?
Based on the color.
Okay, abort.
You press the button, hold it.
Okay.
Okay, what is the color of the strip?
Red.
Okay, you have to press the button down, and then do you see the countdown timer?
Yeah.
Okay, when there's the number 1 in the countdown timer, you release it. You did it?
Yes. What the last supposedly? It's like number 1, is it?
Okay. You're supposed to click the button and hold it down.
Okay.
And then when there's the number 1 digit in the countdown,
I see.
you release.
We did it for the first try. Oh my god. Good teamwork. Nice.
Easy one.
Okay. Just panic for a little bit.
Okay, about now.
Okay. Oh, okay. 5
Because I'm
minutes.
using my mouse.
Okay. Oh my god. It's getting ridiculous. Okay. Firstly, there's serial number 906 RIO. Okay, there's a abort button with a yellow button. Can we go that? Abort button with yellow.
Button, yellow button.
Yeah, yellow.
If the button is yellow, hold the button and refer to. Okay, hold it down and tell me what is it.
Hold down. Okay.
Down the yellow button.
Yeah.
Don't release.
Okay, there's like yellow color.
Okay, you have to release the button only when the countdown timer at the first digit position.
What?
You know the countdown timer?
Yeah.
Okay, when there's a number 5, you release the button.
Okay. Okay, nice. Then the wire, there's like 4 wire. White, blue, yellow, and white again.
So there's only one wire.
Yeah, one blue wire.
Cut the first wire.
Cut the first wire. Okay. Nice. There's like maze. I don't know, this is maze. There's like from the right, there's like 1, 2, 3 from the top. From the right and the second row, there's top 3. There's like what we call it? 3 from the top right, and another one is from the right also. Bottom last row.
Okay, can you repeat? There are 2 points, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a coordinate system. For example,
okay, I want to go
XY.
Okay, there's like a white button. I think the white button is like from the left is second top. From the left, second top.
It is the second top. Okay.
Okay.
And then
there's like 2 circle. I don't know, 2 circle. The first one, the first circle from the right, bottom right.
On my manual, I have multiple mazes.
Okay.
To help me identify which maze we are working with, you have to tell me where are the 2 circle. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
We can use the X and Y coordinate.
Okay. If X and Y coordinate, the first circle is like 1, 2, 3, 4 from bottom number 4.
Yes.
And then from the another one is from the top, the third row from the top.
Row.
Left. It's like from the left is like what?
Isn't it 4, 4?
Huh?
Let me see your screen. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, tak apa. I don't know how
first.
Okay. First.
Okay, this one for the top circle. Let's call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4.
Okay.
5x and 4y.
Okay, just from the top, I mark it as A, B, C, D, E, F, and down Y axis is called like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 something.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. First is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Oh my god. Okay. D6 and E3.
E6 and A3.
E3.
E3.
Yeah, E3.
A, B. This is the best. A, B, C, D.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I think I get it. Okay, where is... No.
Bye-bye. I will say bye-bye first. Okay, retry
The
again.
the A B C D is on the left column or the row?
Okay, it's like from the left, A B C D E. For the words from the left, and then going downward is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, got it.
Okay, we try.
Okay, let's try again.